Welcome to Animatic Studio.
Hello kids! Today we are going to visit the zoo. This is a candy shop where the kids are buying candies. Let's go to the zoo and find some animals. Oh, what animal is that? It's a gorilla. What is he doing? He is playing baseball. Do you know what's the baby gorilla called? Infant. Hello little fox. They are very quick. Do you know the name of baby fox? Pup. What animal is that? A panda. They are very lazy. They eat grass and bamboos. Do you know what's the name of baby panda? Cub. Come on, let's meet the tiger. They are very strong animals and their teeth are very sharp. Do you know what the baby tiger called? Cub. Oh, what animal is that? Kangaroo. They have very good eyesight and they move by hopping. Do you know what's the name of baby kangaroo? Joy. What animal is that? Elephant. It is the biggest and largest animal on land. Do you know what's the name of baby elephant? Calf. Hey, what animal is that? Rhinoceros. It is famous for its large horn. Do you know what the baby rhinoceros called? Calf. Hello noisy parrots. They have very strong beak. Parrots love to eat fruits. Hey, what animal is that? Deer. They eat grass, leaves and plants. Do you know the name of baby deer? It's fawn. Oh, kids, you all know this familiar animal. Lion. He is known as the king of the jungle. Do you know the name of baby lion? Cub. Hey, what animal is that? Giraffe. It is the tallest animal in the world. They eat leaves and plants. Do you know what the baby giraffe called? Calf. Hello, Humpy Camel. Camel is a big and useful animal. It is called the sheep of desert. Do you know what the baby camel called? Calf. So kids, how was your visit to the zoo? Hope you enjoyed it a lot. See you in the next videos.
Mom.